Hi, I'm Manish, Regional Chief Agency Officer with GAD. I'm very happy to be with you today. The COVID-19 pandemic, perhaps the most unprecedented event of our time, is really a multiple pandemic in one. While not everyone has been infected, it is safe to say that every human being on the planet has been affected. Advisors and leaders that navigate the turbulence successfully will emerge transformed and well-positioned to thrive in the new world. As disruptive as the pandemic has been for our industry, many of our top advisors have managed to find ways to adapt to the changing circumstances of the new normal. Divya Tusnial is an excellent example. For Divya Tusnial, Executive Life Planner at Tata Air Life Insurance, overcoming challenges in life was and continues to be exciting. Today, Divya has more than 1,000 happy customers who have bought life insurance cover from her, making her Tata AI's most successful advisor.
Hello everyone, this is Divya here from Tata Life Insurance Company Limited India. So happy to meet you all like this. Then in 2017, something very interesting happened. I was at Shanghai and in an elevator in April with Mr. Bill Lyle. He asked me how was your business in January, February, March, and I told him I was very happy to share that I already completed my TOT of that year. And he said, why don't you try doing TOT every quarter? And you won't believe, friends, in that year with his inspirational words, I completed one TOT every quarter. Then the next year I did 3 times TOT. In 2019 I did 4 times TOT again. In 2020, the pandemic year, I again did 4 TOTs in that particular year, 1 TOT every quarter or 24 MDRTs in that very year. So my reason of doing it, I have a very strong purpose to do it. My family is my purpose. My children are my purpose. Friends, I request you to make a note of your purpose if you still not have decided on your purpose. If your purpose is clear, if you have clarity on your purpose, then you will be able to move the Mount Everest also. So why is very, very important, but how you do it is not so important. But in spite of that, like in 2020 was a pandemic year and a very special and challenging year, not less for me also. So in that year, I had to revisit about my selling techniques, about how I'm going to achieve my goals. And how did I do it? I will like to share this formula with you. I developed my own 4A technique philosophy. So 4A, by 4A I mean first A being aware of the environment, awareness. Second A being accepting the change which is happening around you. Third A being after you have become aware and accepted, how do you acquire the new knowledge, skills and the techniques to do the selling method. And the last and the most important, action. What is the action that you're going to take? So when we talk about awareness of the environment, I wanted to be aware of what my clients is the change. I wanted to be aware if this VUCA world, is this volatility or uncertainty only affecting me, or is affecting my clients also, or is it affecting the other people around me? Of course, I found out that it is affecting everyone. So I also wanted to be aware of what are my clients thinking, what is their perspective. I wanted to understand their line of thought process. So what did I do to become aware, friends? Becoming aware is one thing, but what did I do? I spoke to as many people as possible. I spoke to as many clients as possible. My career had been over a decade, so you can imagine the amount of calls which I was doing on a daily basis to be able to connect to each and every client of my career, even to the first client whom I had sold a policy 10 years before. So I spoke to as many clients as possible and I jotted down all the points which came out of the conversation, which helped me understand, which helped me become aware of what is their perspective, what is that they are looking for, what is their new aspiration, what is that they're thinking, how are they treating this economy, how are they talking about this pandemic. So I made notes of all that. I became aware of the situation. Then after becoming aware, I wanted to accept the changes. I wanted to accept the ambiguity around. I wanted to accept the uncertainty around. So accepting is something which we talk about, but people are generally, most of the people have a fixated mind or they are delayed in accepting the changes. Friends, I mean, I accepted the change immediately. I thought about it and understood, and I wanted to accept the new situation as soon as possible so that I can have the first mover advantage in my business also, right? And first mover advantage in securing my client's life also. So when I said that accepting, so I was when I jotted down all the points about after becoming aware, I accepted the change and I understood that this is the year, this pandemic is a year when the importance of life insurance has grown up manifold. And if this is the year when people who did not believe in life insurance, I mean, who kept postponing their needs of insuring themselves or protecting their family, they all came forward and were looking for life insurance products, considering the risks in the environment. So that was the acceptance. Then I started acquiring the new knowledge and techniques. What did I do to acquire new knowledge and techniques? Because I knew that the old traditional methods of selling will not be of any use in this time when everybody is at lockdown, when everyone is at the house. So I wanted to acquire new techniques. So I became more savvy, digitally savvy, which I was not earlier. So I developed various methods, and what did I do? I developed my e-visiting card. First, I identified the prospect list of about whom am I going to sell. So I understood that those people who have been uninsured for over the years, the younger generation, it's important to reach out to them. So for them, I had to be digitally very, very important. So what did I do? I developed my e-visiting card, digital visiting card, that the first thing as an introduction over the phone. So when I'm talking to the customer over the phone, I also developed my 1-minute pitch with very powerful, solid words so that it becomes as effective as a face-to-face meeting with the client. Then because this whole digital meeting was lacking the flavor of face-to-face meeting or the memory of meeting someone in person, I got into the habit of making notes of each and every conversation with the client using digital techniques so that the client feels as if I'm part of the family and I'm not new to him anymore. So I understood my role in this time, that my role is bigger as a life insurance advisor. I have to insure as many people as possible, and I went all out to insure as many households as possible. So then I also developed my website, because I understood that the moment I talk to the client, he will like to check my credentials, which is not possible to talk over so much on the phone when you have so many. So I developed my website by my name, so it became open by everything to the client, and it's easier for him to understand me and become more confident on my services. So these were the new skills which are required. And then I got into action. I did not leave my action of meeting new clients every day, even in the lockdown or pandemic. I kept meeting new clients every single day. So earlier, what was the advantage of this environment? Earlier, friends, I was meeting 3 clients a day. Now I started meeting 12 clients digitally, because I was saving on my traveling time. The clients were more at peace. They were all at home to listen to me. They were more aware of the risks. So these were the advantages which I encashed also. So I basically, on this 4A technique, coming back, I first became aware of the environment, then I accepted the change, then I acquired new techniques and selling pitches, then I took action on doing so. When I said that I took action, I went all out to ensure to protect the clients and their families with the new techniques which we have developed. So this is about my technique, and this actually helped me achieve my goal post of 4 TOT in that pandemic year. So the most important thing in this pandemic also, I had a choice of being there or move forward. As I decided to move forward, the most important thing which I understood or realized is that whether it's a pandemic year or a non-pandemic year, what is important is you. The brand you matters, friends. So when we talk about brand, when we think of burgers, maybe we talk about McDonald's, when we think about Starbucks as a coffee. So I wanted to have that mind share in my client's mind, where when he thinks of financial products or insurance, he should think only of Divya. So I worked on improving my brand by digital tools, by connecting more and more to my clients and creating myself as a brand. So I think, friends, that's the most important thing. You are the brand. You are the one whom the client should think of whenever he thinks of insurance. I have been striving to do that, and I think I have become a brand for my clients because they call upon me when they think of insurance. I want to ask you and leave you with this question: are you the brand which matters to the client? If not, become so. Thank you so much.